Hi, this is Titila Yajunaga. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate this website without any stress. To begin, click on the Orientation tab where you will find a presentation about Zuma and Groom history, mission statement, services offered, location, and a little bit about your job description as a receptionist. When you're done with that, head over to the Receptionist tab where you will learn about the duties of a receptionist, qualities of a receptionist, the roles of a receptionist, the receptionist area, and how receptionists communicate with clients. You will also have the opportunity to test your knowledge about the tutorial at the end, so take note of the quiz. When done, head over to the Welcoming tab where you will learn about how to welcome your clients. And when you're done with that, head over to the Quick Tip tab where you will learn some quick tips about how to win clients' business over and over and over again. When done with the Quick Tips tab, head over to the Discussion tab where you will have the opportunity to answer a question and give feedback about the tutorial. Thank you. I hope this will help you in Zuma and Groom to get your job done as a receptionist.